Over the last several years, juicing has become incredibly popular and been promoted for its detoxification and healing benefits. So here's just a few tips and some juice recipes that have very specific purposes. The first one I'm going to share with you is called the brain stimulator. Now, scientists have determined that we only use about 10% of our brain. When we make a steady diet of coffee and donuts, we reduce that percentage down to about 2%. So this juice recipe is specifically designed to stimulate all that unused percentage back into activity. For this juice to be effective, it's probably helpful to conduct a 5-day juice fast to clear out all the coffee, donuts, and junk food residues out of the bloodstream. Once clear, this wide-spectrum, nutrient-rich juice will stimulate that brain into super activity. The brain stimulator recipe calls for 1 orange, 1 hard pear, 1 yam, 1 grapefruit, and 1 apple. Now, cranberry juice is a powerful healing tonic filled with quinine that changes to hippuric acid in the liver. Hippuric acid assists in the removal of purines, uric acid, urea, and toxic buildup in the prostate gland, testicles, kidney, and bladder. This is a great preventative juice for North American men who are battling increased risk of prostate cancer, and a wonderful defense against yeast infections for women. Be sure to cut up the apples into wedges, seeds and all, as this recipe calls for 2 apples and 1 1/4 cups of cranberries. Stunningly refreshing and full of flavor, this juice contains over 15,000 international units of vitamin A and over 3 times the vitamin C content of an apple. It also contains a lipid that helps with anxiety, insomnia, and in battling hardening of the arteries. It also contains the highest source of digestive enzymes. Now, melons are recommended by the American Cancer Society as powerful agents in the fight against intestinal and skin cancer. Cantaloupe only has 100 calories, yet it is nutrient dense, which makes it the perfect food for weight loss and healing. Delicious, filling, and low in calories, this juice calls for 1 cantaloupe, 5 ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of sucanat, and a dash of cinnamon. And now you have 3 recipes to get you started well on your road to health. Go juice!